Maybe you want to print some pictures on Microsoft Word for assignment needs or for other needs, but it's a little difficult to arrange the pictures to fit on one sheet of paper. Oh yes, this way you can also use more than 4 pictures on one sheet of paper. First enter or insert the images that you choose. Then set all of these images in wrap text to behind text or in front of text. After you change the settings, please change the size and layout of the image so that it fits on one sheet of paper. When it's finished, you can immediately print it and see the results.